Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chingal. Today we're exploring the beautiful VanDusen Botanical Garden here in Vancouver. From lush greenery to stunning blooms, I can't wait to show you all the hidden gems this place has to offer. Let's go discover nature's beauty together. Let's go guys! Yeah. Look at that. You don't see this every day, baby.
I'm not down in the desert. This is not desert stuff.
It is so relaxing, guys.
Yeah. See the berries in the field.
Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. We are gonna go inside. We can come back there. Morocco. It is so amazing. Hi, baby. We are in heaven. No, not really. Not really. We are in the garden. VanDusen Garden. Look at that.
Just leave.
Back your hands. So any they put the name in all the plants that are planted here. And it's kind of pretty amazing how they maintain to take care of all of this. Look at that monster Christmas what? Christmas tree.
He's got a rare one at the top of the tree.
Yeah, that's what I want to do one day, but I'm too old for that. Baby, I always want to be beautiful. Beautiful. Baby, this a good place to jump, baby. I know, I saw that. Baby, this a good jump. Pretty cool bench. Yeah. It's relaxing, huh? Piggy, imagine if you have a big house and you create this magical, look at that, magical garden. Oh my goodness, look at this red. See, this is what I want to do in our tree. Like there. Changing leaves. We cannot walk like that, baby. We need to find a maze. We're gonna have to look.
I know the mazes at this end.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to go because we're going to another. Whoop, look at me, baby. Look at me. Hey. Okay. You have the vision in your mind. So what's gonna happen next? Ooh, look at that. Where are you going? I told you it's not there. It's over on that side. No, we're going far. Let's go back, baby. Okay. Okay. So this is some housing by the... It's interesting, you're right. They're preparing for harvest. Fall decoration. I think that's the maze right there. Is that it? No, I did not.
Look at that Chinese garden fountain.
Oh, yeah.
You want a picture of in front of that? Or you go?
No, we already have that. Baby, so when you go inside the maze, it will take us to find the... No, no, not good. Really? They're gonna put lights. See, they're gonna add lights some more. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's real. Oh, the guacamole. There it is, I've seen it. I'm seeing it.
Sign up here. Let's look at this.
Oh my god, this is so pretty. Can you take a picture of me here? Ay, no.
Rose garden and the exit down there.
Rose garden?
Since we have rose.
It's pretty cool. The purple. It's not there. Oh yes, it is.
Are you looking where I'm looking?
I saw it earlier.
No, you haven't been here before.
No, I saw it earlier before it. Oh, we're gonna be lost.
In Europe, always had mazes.
Good luck. Huh? Maybe that's the exit, huh?
Oh, maybe it's just the middle.
No.
Look up in here, baby.
Good that eye. Good. I'm just following that lady. Where did they go? Yeah! Look at that! We made it to the exit. Whoo.
Show them the exit.
There's the exit.
The
Woo.
picture, yeah.
There you go. Look at that. Oh, they're gonna harvest. Oh, look at that. Is it a radish? I thought it's a radish.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a turnip. And that's a
Radish
pepper.
are smaller but more red.
It's a pepper.
They're great for salad.
This is a wildflower here. This
That's squash.
Oh, this is like a pepper. That's a squash. They're preparing it for harvest, huh? It's lettuce.
Really the harvest.
Oh, what is this one? This is
Green beans.
the green beans, and it's yellow now. It's
Yeah.
pepper.
You can grow yellow beans.
Ah, you can.
Yeah, pepper.
What about this one? Oh, this is the
Probably
salad.
Lettuce. Yeah.
No, this is the
Spring
salad.
salad.
Uh-huh.
That's some big.
Black pepper.
Big bell pepper.
No, I think it's rotten.
Learning garden for kids to learn what they look like.
Yeah, we used to do that.
Yeah, they're cutting off the ones that look dead or dry, and they're just keeping the wet green ones.
They mixed it up also with different
Keeping them low. Look at those over there.
Well, I think this is new. See, those are higher. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us on this beautiful tour of VanDusen Botanical Garden. I hope you enjoyed exploring it as much as we did. If you'd like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel and adventure content. Until next time, take care and see you in the next vlog, guys.